Hi, welcome to Aiden's Diesel and Auto Repair. My name is Gisele, and today I'm gonna explain to you the two different options that we offer for financing. The first option that we offer works like a regular credit card, but only for your car needs. For example, gas stations, car washers, maintenance, as well as other automotive repairs. The second option that we offer works with automatic monthly payments from your bank account. You can use this type of financing for car accessories, parts, tires, repairs, and more. You can easily apply with your Social Security number or ITIN number. Choose the one that fits you best and come visit us to apply. It's fast and easy. Here at 1515 Coors Blvd NW, or give me a call for more information at 505-242-0669. Thank you for choosing Aiden's Diesel and Auto Repair.